morning, student. Welcome to e-learning classes. I am Shankar Singh, science teacher. Today I teach you types of chemical reactions. So first thing I explain you what is chemical reaction. During a chemical reaction, atoms of one element do not change into another elements, and some chemical reaction involves the breaking and making of bonds between atoms to produce new substance. Some elements in some chemical reaction elements are not changes, and some are in changes. That is the formation and breaking the atoms and non-breaking the atoms. That is the chemical reaction. That process is chemical reaction. It is generally a study in this chapter of 5 types of chemical reaction. So first is now a study of combination reaction. In that reaction, first the name, that is combination, means combine two different elements combine together, that is form a new elements. New, that is first is reactant, another is product. So taken first, that is say to A, that elements atom in A plus, and that is taken another element B. So that is reactants and reactants, that is react to each other, that is formation of AB, that is product of that elements, that is A element and B element. Some atoms are present here, that is A and B both are combined together, that is form a new element, that is the product AB. That reaction is combination of reaction. One example is taken CaO solid form plus H2O in liquid form, that is react together, that is combination of reaction, means combine to each other, that is CaOH, that is CaOH plus heat, that is form of digital CaOH plus heat, that is it is quicklime, and that is the slide line. That is the combination, means one term another term combined with, that is form of CaOH and plus heat, that is combination reaction. That is quicklime and slackline formation. Another reaction is name of decomposition of reaction. Another reaction is name of decomposition of reaction. That reaction decompose means separate, means two term combined together and separate to each other, that is decomposition reaction. That reaction, that is A and B are combined together and react to, that is form A and B, that is for first reactant is combined A and B, and that is product is separate A and B. That reaction is said to be decomposition of reaction. That is said. Another one example of 2Fe SO4 solid, that is reactant, and that is taken in that process to heat, and that is changed to Fe2O3 plus SO2 gas. It is formation of gas. And another is SO3 gas. That formation is, that is ferric oxide, that is ferric oxide, and that is ferrous sulfate. That is ferrous sulfate. That is combined, ferrous sulfate is combined 2FeSO4. That is form of AB, and another is separate to A and B. That is decomposition, means two terms combined together and separate to each other. That reaction is decomposition of reaction. Another is displacement of reaction. That reaction, that is taken A plus BC, two elements, two terms, and taken, that is name according to displacement reaction. That is displace means both are place are changes. So that is the change of A, B plus C. That reaction, that is B value, B place is changes to A. That is displacement reaction. Displace means one is on place are changes. That is displacement reaction. So one example taken, FeS plus CuSO4 taken, that is reaction, that is FeSO4, that is FeSO4 plus Cu, copper solution, that is copper sulfate, and that is iron sulfate, In that reaction, that is displacement. The FeCuSO4, SO4 is displaced with FeSO4. SO4 is displaced with ferrous, that is make iron sulfate plus copper. So that is on places are changes. That reaction is displacement reaction. Another is double displacement reaction. Another form is double displacement reaction. Fourth term is double displacement reaction. That is term A, B plus C, D. That is change to, that reaction change to second A, B and plus C, D. That is change to A, C plus, that is B, D. So that reaction is, that is the change of A change with C, B change with D, that is reactant, that is product, that is change his position, that is double displacement reaction, double displacement reaction. That is double displacement reaction. A and C, B and D both are on places are changes, that is double displacement reaction. Example Na2SO4 plus BaCl2, that is reactant. React with BaSO4 plus 2NaCl, that is formation of sodium sulfate, that is barium chloride, and formation of that reaction is barium sulfate and sodium chloride, that is the A, B and CD, that is double displacement, means Na2SO4 BaCl2, that reaction Ba with SO4, that is react with this, and another is react with this NaCl, sodium chloride. So that reaction is double displacement reaction. Next is oxidation reaction, that is oxidation and reduction. That's another name is redox reaction, that is redox reaction. So first is oxidation reaction. In this, if a substance gain of oxygen during a reaction, that is say to oxidize, means when two, taken an example, 2Cu plus O2, that is heat, that is heat to produce 2CuO, that is 2Cu plus O2, that is heat, means that reaction, if a substance gain of oxygen, means copper and oxygen react to gain the oxygen, that is copper. So that is the oxidation reaction. Another is loss of oxygen, that is reduction. Another is loss of oxygen, means another example taken 2CuO plus H2, that is heat, So form of Cu plus H2, that in that reaction, that is gain of oxygen, another in loss of oxygen, in this reaction loss of oxygen, and in reaction that is gain of oxygen. So that is gain of oxygen is oxidation, loss of oxygen is reduction reaction. So that reaction is oxidation and reduction, and both reaction are combined together. Both reaction are combined together. That is say to redox reaction. That is say to redox reaction. Both reaction are combined together. That is say to redox reaction. CuO plus H2 to form Cu plus H2. That is Cu plus H2. So in that reaction H2, that reaction is H2 to gain oxygen, that is H2O. That is oxidation reaction, that is gain of oxygen. In that reaction CuO to Cu means loss of oxygen, gain of oxygen. Both reaction are combined together. That is redox reaction. That types of chemical reaction in your syllabus. Okay, next time, next topics are discussion. Okay, thank you.